Doing good. Guys, we'll start with question number 7. Start करें. Do this question. Let's see आप लोगों को सब सवाल होते हैं या नहीं होते. Guys, जल्दी से पार्ट 1 और 2 का आंसर बताएं. A ball boy moves along a horizontal frictionless surface and collides with a ball Z as illustrated in the views from above in figure 4.1 and 4.2. ठीक है, before collision, after collision. Ball Y has a mass of 0.25 kg and initially moves along a line PQ. Ball Z has a mass of mz and is initially stationary. ठीक है, initially आपको stationary होता है. After the collision, ball Y has a final velocity of 3.7 at an angle of 27 degrees to the line PQ, and ball Z has a final velocity of 5.5 at an angle of 44 degrees to the line PQ. ठीक है. Calculate the component of the final momentum of ball Y in the line in the direction perpendicular to the line PQ. Of Y ये तो बड़ा आसान है हमारा. It's gonna P is equal to mv. मास हमारे पास कितना है? It's 0.25 and perpendicular. So we need sine theta into 3.7 sine 27. What's the answer? 0.42. Easy peasy. ये सबका सही था. Was everyone able to do this? Is like the basic question. By considering the component of the final momentum of each ball in the direction perpendicular to line PQ, calculate mz. Now we need to calculate mz. अच्छा, mz को भी गैस हम लोग बड़े आसान तरीके से कर सकते हैं. We can just equate these two momentum, vertical momentum को हम लोग equate कर सकते हैं. तो we have 0.42 over here. This should be equal to this. It's vertical momentum. Why? Because these two need to cancel each other out. कि हमारे पास initial vertical momentum नहीं था, तो there should be no final momentum as well. So that's gonna be mz into 5.5 into sine 44. mz का मुझे कोई आंसर बता दे क्या आता है. इस जैसे 1 मार्क क्वेश्चन, तो इतना इस पे दिमाग में नहीं लड़ाना. ठीक है, 0.4 to 0.11. आगे. During the collision, the average force exerted on y by z is F phi, and the average force exerted on z by y is Fz. Compare the magnitudes and directions of Fy and Fz. Numerical values are not required. So magnitude हमारे पास कितना होगा? Newton's third law. It's gonna be the same. And what will happen to the direction? Opposite. Simple. And ये वाला पार्ट करें. It's simply 1 mark का, मतलब it's very simple. सीधा सीधा आंसर करना है. तो हमारे पास स्पीड ऑफ अप्रोच is 4 plus 6, 10. So they're approaching each other with a speed of 10 meters per second. After the collision, block B moves along its original path with a speed of 2 meters per second. It's moving, is this an elastic collision, right? So it's moving 2 meters per second. So this should be moving, this object should be moving कितने speed से? जी, it should be moving with a speed of 8 meters, right? हमारे पास इसे 12 भी हो सकता है. आंसर इसके दो बनते हैं. हम्म 8 guys will be our answer, क्योंकि ये object will move along this line. So करें जो calculate the speed of block A after the collision. Speed of approach is 10. Speed of separation should also be 10. Mhm. Oh, sorry, moves back along its original path का मतलब है कि वो इस डायरेक्शन में वापस आ रहा है. Yup. See guys, छोटी सी चीज थी. I missed this. This is going to be 2 meters per second in this direction. तो of course ये दूसरी डायरेक्शन में जाएगा at 8 meters per second. So 8 plus, we just need 8 meters per second की स्पीड. तो बड़ी छोटी सी चीज थी. I missed it. And so could you, तो ये बस make sure कीजिएगा, सिंपल सा. Is this question clear? ये क्वेश्चन क्लियर हो गया? 8. State the principle of conservation of momentum. आपको आता है, ये वाला क्वेश्चन करें. अच्छा, you have to find V and W. क्वेश्चन मैं आपको बताता हूँ. You have to find V and you also have to find W. That's the question. ये करें, देखिए आंसर आता है सही है नहीं. फाइंड करके जल्दी से आंसर्स बताएं। बताएंगे इसके आंसर्स आ रहे हैं आप लोग के। फजान, हाशिम, या तैमूर, यमुना, एवरीवन। अच्छा मुझे ये बताएं, डू यू गेट गाइस गेट द क्रक्स ऑफ दिस, राइट? ये टॉपिक तो क्लियर हो गया ना? क्वेश्चंस ख्याल है साथ साथ होते रहेंगे क्लियर। टॉपिक के क्वेश्चन करना कैसे है, दैट इज क्लियर राइट एवरीवन? Hashim, I believe you even messaged me yesterday regarding that message. Of course, I cannot repeat everything. What you can do is you can watch our recordings that have been uploaded, and then I can help you later on. सही है? क्या भी को रिकॉर्डिंग्स देख लें, उसके बाद जो चीज़ें नहीं समझ आती वो मैं आपको करवा दूंगा। ठीक है? इसका आंसर जल्दी से निकालो फिर। गाइस आंसर्स गलत बताएं बेशक, बट बताएं तो सही। आंसर्स हैं क्या? Yeah, I mean, I have no idea I would have to solve that. But the point that you're getting an answer, that's a success in itself. ये 4 मार्क का, यार याद रखें, 3 मार्क के 4 मार्क का होगा मेरे ख्याल से ये। या a 4 mark question AS physics is like, even if you're getting a wrong answer, congrats, you're getting an answer. That's you have to focus on the bigger picture. A lot of time what happens is कि kids cannot even comprehend कि हमने question करना कैसे है. It's steps and stuff. What's the answer for V? The answer is 2.9 and 1.9. If that helps, by the way. ये ले, मुझे कॉल आ रही है, जस्ट सेकंड। In case आप लोगों से नहीं होता guys, तो I'm gonna solve this question in 2 minutes. But still, try again. आंसर भी आप लोगों को पता है अब। इतनी मुश्किल नहीं है guys. One way or the other, you just equate their vertical momentums and their horizontal momentums. So you'll get your answer.
Perfect. Fazan, those are correct as well. So, guys, it's a relatively easy question if I'm being honest. Let's equate 2m into v sine 30 is equal to 3m into w sine 30. These two are just gonna cancel each other out. Cancel हो गया. I can make one of these the subject. So 2v is equal to 3w. So v is equal to 3w over 2. ये clear है? Is this clear? How I got v? Perfect. Second, you equate the horizontal components. So it's gonna be initial is equal to final. Initial is gonna be 5 into 2m is equal to, again, 2m into v cos 30 plus 3m into w cos 30. Now I have v is equal to 3 over 2 w, so I can substitute it over here. 10m is equal to 2, अच्छा v था ना मेरे पास, हाँ, 2 into 2m into 3 over 2 w cos 30 plus 3m w cos 30. 2 कैंसिल हो गया, ये मेरे पास 3 हो गया, ठीक है, ये मेरे पास 3 हो गया, 6 हो गया. इट्स वेरी सिंपल. 10m इज इक्वल टू 6wm cos 30. देखिए अब मेरे पास mm is gonna cancel itself out. 6, so it's gonna be 5 over 3 w into cos 30. एंड अब आपके पास w का आंसर हो जाएगा. w का क्या आंसर आता है? 1.9. No, initial horizontal momentum is 2 into 5. So this is going to be equal to 1.9. And if I substitute 1.9 over here, it's going to be 3 over 2 into 1.9. इसका आंसर बता दें मुझे. 2.9. अच्छा, अब आपने नोटिस किया होगा जो मैंने करवाया कितना आसान लगा ये क्वेश्चन. Did any one of you feel that? जब टीचर करवाए तो ये कितना आसान लगता है, और जब खुद करे तो आंसर ही नहीं आता. सो दैट इज़ वेरी कॉमन इन एएस कि अगर आप स्टेप्स एज प्रॉपर फॉलो नहीं करते तो आप लोगों को बड़ा मसला होता है. एंड यूजली मैं आप लोग, आई स्टिल डोंट अंडरस्टैंड. हाशिम, व्हाट? Ask a question. I still don't understand is very vague. हाशिम कौन सा पार्ट नहीं समझ आया वो मुझसे पूछे. सही है. After that what I just did was I equated initial horizontal momentum with the final horizontal momentum. That is pretty much all I did. So what was my initial horizontal momentum? 2m into 5. Baki, what was my final horizontal momentum? It was 2m into v cos 30. V cos 30 plus W 3m into W cos 30. So that's 10m is equal to 2mv cos 30 plus 3m W cos 30. Is this clear, Hashim? Do you understand कि मैंने equation कैसे बनाई है? That's the entire part. If you understand equation कैसे बनी आगे, तो you just need to do the substitution. और वही जो हमने पहले किया substitution करेंगे तो it's gonna be 10 over 6 W cos 30 आपके पास रह जाएगा, जिसका आंसर आपके पास 1.9 आता है. cos 30 if I'm not wrong is under root 3 over 2. So ये आपके पास under root 3 over 2 हो गया, तो just cancel these out, 3 and then Cancel, multiply though. 1.9 is your answer. ठीक हो गया? Now is it clear, Hashim? Perfect. So this is a very simple question. Then you just need to find the change in momentum and divide it over time. Solve this question. Question number, I believe that's question number 9, right? You guys have 5 wins. It's 47, so 52 तक. You guys have 5 minutes to solve this question. Try it out. देखें होता है या नहीं. Everyone's getting the same answer. अच्छा, पहले का क्या आंसर आ रहा है? Speed v of the ball after the collision is 8. After the collision, ball X is stationary. So you just use law of conservation of momentum. ये तो बड़ा सिंपल सा सवाल है. तो v will be equal to half हो जाएगा 8 meters per second. Calculate the change in kinetic energy of the balls due to the collision. So you just find the kinetic energy of this ball and you just find the kinetic energy of this ball and you just subtract them, by the way. So 1 by 2 mv square, just make sure you convert this 240 into 0.24. You have to convert it into kilograms. You have to convert this into kilograms as well. And you just have to use these values. ठीक है? ठीक है? You have to find the change. So Fazan, you have to subtract them. I believe you do not subtract them. If you subtract them, your answer is going to be what? It's going to be 15 joules, and this is 8. Okay. And then you have to find the force. So you find the change in momentum over time, and you just divide it over time. Time हमारे पास 2 milliseconds है. That's pretty simple. I'm gonna do the अच्छा वर्कशीट हमारी ख़त्म हो गई है. अच्छा we are done with two types of questions. So there are usually three types. One जो हमने पहले स्टार्ट में किए थे. सेकंड हमारे पास टू डायमेंशंस होते हैं. थर्ड ये जो ग्राफ्स आपको सामने नज़र आ रहे हैं these graphs. This is the third type. We haven't done this. We are done with two types. What we'll do is we're going to do the third type tomorrow. But before that, guys, I want you to practice this worksheet today. Question number, note them down. Question number one, question number two, question number one, two, and which question is this? Four, one, two, four, one, two, four, and six. I want you guys to try these questions out on yourselves. One, two, four, and six. Because where is this worksheet? Hashim, if you open the group description, you're gonna find the link there. I'm just gonna reshare them as well in the group. You have to do one, two, four, and six. Is that clear, everyone? ये बहुत ज़रूरी है. अगर आप लोग प्रैक्टिस नहीं करते, you won't be able to do those questions tomorrow. Practice, practice, practice is very important. AS physics is all about practice. And that will be it, kiddos. Allah Hafiz. Take care. Bye bye.